All right, so you're new to Android and you're struggling to understand how to answer a phone call. You're not alone. This is something that confuses a lot of people. You tap the green button and nothing happens. It's there, it reacts, but it doesn't work. Okay, maybe we need to tap and hold it. That should work, right? Nope, that doesn't work either. I'll never understand how they can design something so simple so badly. But the right answer is to tap and slide up. Once I tap, hold, and slide up, the call gets connected. There's zero visual clues for that, and it's just something they expect people to know. At least to end a phone call, they let you simply tap the red button. No weird gestures needed. If you're trying to decline a call, the process is the same. Single tap does nothing. Long press also does nothing. Tap, hold, and slide up is how you'd decline a call. To be fair, I know some Android phones have a better system and allow you to answer with a single tap, but Samsung for some reason wants to make it difficult. Click the like button if this helped, and share this with someone who needs help understanding this.